Ever think about how a simple wheel can control a huge vehicle? It feels like magic, but it's really just smart engineering. Let's take a look under the hood and see how your car steering really works. Every car has a steering wheel, and its job is simple: point the car where you want it to go. But how does that happen? Well, the steering wheel is connected to a long metal bar that goes down into a gearbox at the front of your car. When you turn the wheel, this bar turns a set of gears. In many older cars, this was a worm gear that turned another gear, which then moved a lever. This lever was attached to two rods, one for each front wheel. So a turn of your hand translated into the wheels turning left or right. However, this purely mechanical system required a lot of efforts from the driver. To make things easier, power steering was invented back in the 1930s. Early systems used hydraulic power. A pump driven by the engine created oil pressure. When you turned the steering wheels, a valve opened, directing that pressurized oil to a piston that helped you turn the wheels. This hydraulic boost made steering feel almost effortless. But technology never stopped evolving. Today, most new cars use electric power steering or EPS instead of a hydraulic pump. An electric motor provides the steering assistance. Sensors detect how fast you are turning the wheels and with how much force. An electronic control unit then tells the motor exactly how much help to give you. EPS is a game changer. It's lighter, more energy efficient because the motor only runs when needed. And it's better for the environment since there's no hydraulic fluid. Some cars use a hybrid system called electro-hydraulic power steering, which combines the best of both worlds. The hydraulic pump is powered by an electric motor instead of the engine, offering better control and efficiency. The latest and most futuristic development is steer-by-wire. In this system, there is no physical connection between your steering wheels and the wheels at all. Your inputs are converted into electronic signals that tells actuators how to turn the wheels. This technology allows for faster responses, customizable steering feel, and is essential for autonomous driving. And don't worry, they have plenty of backup system for safety. Modern steering is also deeply integrated with advanced driver assistance systems. Think about lane keeping assist, automatic parking, and collision avoidance. These features use the steering system to make small automatic corrections, keeping you safe on the road. From simple gears and rods to intelligent computer-controlled systems, the evolution of steering is incredible. It's not only makes driving easier, but is paving the way for the future of transportation. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that moves us. See you next time.